In this video, I want to have a look at finding the volume of prisms. So our formula for doing that is the volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. On your formula sheet, what that looks like is this. So the volume of a prism or a cylinder, which we'll look at in another video, is the volume equals the area times the height. So the area of the base, and it has to be the perpendicular height as well. So what that looks like in a few diagrams. So in each of these three shapes, we've got the base has been shaded. So if we knew the area of that base, we'd multiply it by the height of the shape. So you can see in this one that the area of the base doesn't have to be on the bottom of the shape. It could be on the side. It just has to be the one that's the uniform cross section all the way through the shape. And it works for irregular shapes as well. So if we had this one, if we knew the area of that shape, we could multiply it by the depth or the height of the shape to find its total volume. So I just wanted to have a look at one example. So we've got this prism over here, and you can see that it's a trapezoidal prism because it's got that trapezium on the front. So that trapezium is going to be our base. We're going to have to find the area of that and then multiply it by the height or the depth of our shape, which is in this one 12. So from your formula sheet, you've got that the area of a trapezium is h over 2 outside of a plus b. So the a and the b are our two perpendicular sides. So they're our 11 and our 6. Doesn't matter which one's which. And the h is the distance between those two sides. So that would be our 5 centimetres there. So that's going to be 5 over 2 outside of 11 plus 6, which would come out to give us 42.5 centimetres squared. Now that's the area of that front face, but to find the volume of the whole shape, we then need to multiply it by the height. So we've got volume is equal to A times H, which is our 42.5 times our 12, and that comes out to be 510 centimetres cubed. So that's an example of finding the volume of a prism.